In this video, we are going to learn about sine law. You had earlier learned about solving triangles that were right angle triangles. You used Pythagorean theorem, or you used sine, cos, and tan as in SOHCAHTOA. You used those to find the unknown sides and find the unknown angles. If the triangle is not a right angle triangle, then we need more tools. And one such tool is this sine law. And you notice here that the sine law, we use the same convention as before in the previous video, and the sine law looks like sine A over A, sine B over B, and sine C over C. And we can write it by writing this upside down, or the reciprocal of it, which is A over sine A, B over sine B, or C over sine C. We use the top one for finding angles. You can use the same formula for finding the sides as well. It is just a little easier because the unknown, the angles, are on top. And you can use the second version of it where the unknown sides are on top. Now let's see how we can use this to solve a problem. And in this problem, what we have is we are given angle B, and we are given angle B, which is 127, and we have the side B here, and we are supposed to find angle A, and we are given the side A here. So let's apply sine law, and since we are finding the angle, I'm going to write the angles on top. So sine A over side A equals sine B over side B, and filling in the numbers. And before we go any further, you notice that I didn't write sine C over C because we are not finding either the sine C or the angle C, so I'm ignoring that. So we have sine A, the unknown, divided by 1.9, and that is equal to sine 127 over the 2.6. Now here's an important point about using sine law, and that is this. When you're using sine law, you need an angle and you need the corresponding opposite side. If we don't have that pair, sine law will not work. So sine law will work only under these conditions of having a known angle and the opposite side to it. So to find the A, I'm going to cross multiply over there. So that would give me sine A equals 1.9 sine 127 over 2.6, and I will get a big number here, many decimal numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the power of the calculator to find out what I want. So the next step would be, if I want to find the angle, I'll have to do a sine inverse of this whole thing in the bracket. So you can punch this in as you see it, like sine inverse of 1.9 sine 127 over 2.6 right here in the bracket. And when you do that, your calculator will give you an accurate answer, and you'll get an answer with decimals. And so you round it to the closest degree. See you in the next video.